Welcome. Owning the latest M1 iMac, iPhone 12 Pro, and with the latest app updates, Lumafusion dropped recently, specifically 3.0, I wanted to consolidate all of my Apple products down from 2 to 3 to one device. So today, I picked up an Apple Pencil 2, the new white Apple Magic Keyboard, and the M1 iPad Pro 11-inch. This is the 128GB model. Included in the box, you'll get not just the iPad, we'll set that aside, the charging brick and the USB Type-C cable. Then we have that iPad itself. You can see the camera array there here at the top, and then the USB Type-C port here at the bottom that we'll talk about more later. I'll power the iPad on quickly so I can get it set up, which I won't bore you with the full setup of this iPad Pro in this video, but I will note I am really liking this Magic Keyboard with the Space Gray iPad Pro. Alongside the Surface Duo, the productivity is going to be awesome for daily use of these two devices. Super excited to dive right into this M1 iPad Pro though. Jumping ahead to the quick start, the overall setup was super smooth with no issues. I am going to install iPad OS 15 Beta 4, which is overall pretty stable, at least for my usage. I don't recommend installing beta though for most because, again, it is beta and it could be prone to issues, so just keep that in mind. Now let's talk about that keyboard. I love that it's backlit. While not the brightest, it is nice that it is backlit when you need it. Outdoors or in well-lit areas, it also looks so good and so sleek. I really enjoy using the keyboard though. It isn't too cramped for me, and using the trackpad is smooth and clicky. Working on the iPad Pro 11-inch is actually preferred on the 11-inch for me versus the 12.9-inch version, as this is more portable, being not just smaller but significantly lighter as well. Working on my videos for the channel has been a breeze. I love Lumafusion, especially these latest updates. I cannot recommend Lumafusion enough to all the creators out there. It's around $30, and for what you're paying, you certainly get a ton in return. It's feature-packed with pro features that simply make editing a breeze on the M1 iPad Pro, or any iPad for that matter. And again, paired with that Apple Pencil, it's just an incredibly enjoyable experience editing on the go wherever you need to on this iPad. What I love most about the M1 iPad over the iMac is just how versatile it is with or without the Magic Keyboard. It's light, portable, and can be used in so many useful orientations. Jumping to a few highly recommended accessories for the iPad, starting with the Hoverbar Duo by 12 South. I highly recommend this accessory. I'll leave a link below for you to check this out, but I do have to say this is probably my #1 accessory for the iPad Pro, just because, just like the iPad, it's very versatile. You can use it in many different orientations that suits your need, and out of the box, it's super simple to set up. I mean, it took me like 3 seconds to get all of this set up, and not only that, it looks really sleek. It has a little area to hold your Apple Pencil, and then just overall for streaming or for FaceTiming, it actually makes the iPad a much better experience, putting it more eye level so that way you're not just getting that chin view for any FaceTimes. It looks excellent. Definitely recommend that. Then pairing the Apple keyboard and the Apple trackpad, having the iPad on the stand there on the mount, as you can see here, I'm able to easily work with no issues. It's just a breeze using these all paired with the iPad. Again, not having that iMac there saves me a ton of space. And then also another great accessory would be the Xbox remote for some gaming when you're looking for some downtime or looking to have some fun on the iPad. Again, having that stand there makes this just an incredible setup. For editing and editing this actual video, I use my Galaxy S21 Ultra paired with a portable SD card that I use to just drag drop all the video footage straight to the iPad using that USB Type-C port, and it's super fast. It's probably the most efficient workflow I've had in a long time. Highly recommend those accessories as well. I'll leave some links below. Overall, the iPad Pro 11-inch has just been incredible to use lately. I'm super happy with this purchase, and I just overall couldn't be happier about how much space I now have saved on my desk, and just consolidating again the iMac, the iPhone, all of those just to this iPad, and being able to use the iPad truly as, well, my main computer now. So I'm looking forward to reporting back how it's been using this as my main computer as I go through this journey here on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.